I'm Hilana, and I'm from a little town in Saskatchewan, Hudson Bay. And yes, I attended the course because I'm thinking about opening a coffee shop. And obviously, there's a lot to consider when, thinking about it. But this course was really so thorough, but it actually touches points that you didn't know that you had to think about it even before. So very, very informative.
Nice. Do you think if you don't have this kind of information before opening, would it be more difficult? Would change for you?
Yes, definitely. Yes. I would say it would be almost silly to do something like that without doing the course because it's it gives you a clear vision what you need to consider and everything you need to take into account. So to me, it's really it's very informative in that
Oh,
way.
cool.
Yes,
And we also like to say it's fun to learn, right? So, what was the
absolutely.
most fun part for you in the course? Like
Well,
the one you most liked it?
well, obviously the practical stuff we did with the
Nice.
coffee and the
Cool.
lattes.
Nice.
For sure, that was and using the machines.
Nice.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
more on the
yes,
hands-on part. Cool.
definitely.
Yeah.
No, I feel a lot more prepared going into this, going
Nice.
forward.
Oh, thank you very much for your feedback. It's always helpful for us to improve, and we're really, really happy that you enjoyed the course and the knowledge that
Thank
you
you.
got.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Nice, thank you.